In this video, we will see how to safely assemble a 0.75 meter cantilever on one side of the MSafe Stairway scaffolding. First, we attach the 0.75 meter cantilever on both sides of the stairway's top and lock it, as you can see in this video. Next, we place a plain platform on the same cantilever and lock it. We install two guardrail frames on the top and lock them from both sides. On top of the cantilever, we attach two guardrail frames with a width of 0.75 meters and lock them as well. Finally, we install two guardrails on these guardrail frames to ensure safety even when working at the edges. At the end, we install toe boards on all sides to prevent tools placed on the platform from falling down while working. In the case of the cantilever, we install toe boards with a width of 0.75 meters as shown in this video. And that's how we can safely assemble a 0.75 meter cantilever on one side of the stairway scaffolding. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button next to it so that you can receive notifications for upcoming videos.